remember we met.
Hello friends and welcome to Creative Arena. Hope you all are doing well. Please do watch the full video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for the latest notifications. In this tutorial we are going to make this mixed media canvas. So let's start the tutorial. I'm using this old canvas on which my son has tried his own art skills. As you can see, he has tried some stencil with texture paste and some colors though. I'm using this because I like the design of the texture paste. I just don't want to waste this canvas board, so I'm using it for this mixed media canvas. I'm using some paper roses which I have made last year. I'll definitely share a tutorial on how to make these paper roses. We'll share the tutorial soon. I'm using them in this. I like the colors. Some butterflies, clay butterflies, some of my old broken hair accessories. This I have made from food packaging material, and some alphabets which I have made from scrapbook paper. Let's see what it will come out like. I have made them with hot glue, thinking of using them in this canvas. I'm not sure I'll use it or not, but we'll try sure. Some cardboard material, and I have this beautiful rose of satin. Let's see if I'll use it or not, but I like this. First I'll apply this white gesso on the canvas. This will make surface suitable for mixed media canvas, and it will allow colors to work on the canvas properly. I'll cover the whole canvas with this white gesso. While I'm doing this, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Please share the video with your friends and family. I have covered the whole canvas with white gesso. Now I'll dry it. Now I will use these cardboard pieces to make a wall of bricks. Now I have fixed all cardboard pieces to give a wall like look. Now I am applying tissue paper with glue and water mixture just to cover the rough edges of the cardboard and to give it a smooth finish. After this I'll color the bricks with watercolor. I'm using Camel Artist watercolors. I actually like these colors. The pigment is very good, easy to work with them. So I have painted my wall. Now I'll give this green color as base on the canvas. I'm using light green, dark green and yellow. I'm trying to give it a look of garden. I hope you all will like my video, my tutorials. Please do let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. Give me your suggestions also. So I have painted the base and it's looking beautiful. It's dried also. I'm I'm looking where to put my embellishments, where to put all these roses. Just trying to put colored roses on one side and white on the other. I have chosen alphabets to make a beautiful life. And they're actually looking very beautiful. I like the print of this scrap paper. It's looking very pretty. I don't think these leaves will go with the design, so just not keeping them on the canvas and shift. Just I guess it's enough now, and I'll go with this. It's looking nice. We'll go with this and we'll fix my embellishments with Liquitex super heavy gel. As my soft gel is finished, and because of lockdown I can't get it, so I'm using this only. I have chosen these words beautiful life, as I feel like nature, like roses, these butterflies tells us how the life is beautiful, how it is colorful. Just loving this, loving my life too. My craft, my art, work feels makes me feel that I'm alive. It just makes me me. It's done and it's looking beautiful. Beautiful life. I hope you all will like it too. I'm loving it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye and see you next week. Till then, take care.